So you've made the decision and you decided, I want to become a real estate investor. And now your next question is, well, how much money do I need? Before we get into that, let's kind of get an understanding of what a real estate investor is and what they do. So what do real estate investors even do? The simple answer is they find opportunities in the marketplace that fit their needs or goals. Basically, are you looking for a flip? Are you looking for a rental? Or are you looking for something to just park your money in and let it sit and wait for a little while? This is a question only you can answer. There are so many different styles of investing. I've talked to so many different investors over the years, and every single one has a different goal. Not one investor has the same goal as another investor. It really comes down to what are your needs, what are your wants, and what are your goals. Another thing that investors do is that they find opportunities in the marketplace. They're able to identify whether something's a good deal or whether something's a bad deal. I know a lot of you have probably watched HGTV and think that you can literally just buy any broke down house, invest $100,000 to $200,000 and turn it into a $500,000 monster. The reality is, it doesn't exist. Real estate investors go out to the marketplace and understand the market and understand the value of homes. And understanding that little piece can save you a lot of money and a lot of trouble down the road. Because a lot of people might buy something not knowing what its true value is, put money into it, and then when they go to sell it, they're not making any money. That's not real estate investing. That's losing your money in real estate. And that's why so many people have been burned by real estate. They just don't understand how to identify a good opportunity. The good thing is, good opportunities are everywhere. There's no specific area that has more opportunities than others. You really just have to get out and look. So you know what? Let's get out of here. Let's go look at some good opportunities out there. So here's an opportunity right here. You have to figure out whether this is a deal or not as a real estate investor. And let's look at it real quick and see if it is a deal. Now, this house in particular, it's actually listed on the MLS right now. It looks in pretty rough shape. Definitely does need some work. Somebody would have to come in here and spend a couple $1,000s. But is it even worth the money that they're asking for it? Right now, this thing is on the market for $89,000. It's definitely beat up, definitely needs some work, and it could definitely be worth a lot more if you put the money into it. But let's look at the numbers real quick. Right now, this house is for sale for $89,000. The average home sale price in this area is between $130,000 and $140,000. It looks like it needs about $40,000 worth of work. So is it a deal? If you're gonna purchase it at $89,000, then put $40,000 worth of work into it, you're gonna be all in for about $130,000. So if you can sell it for $140,000, but you're gonna, between the purchase and investing your money into it, you're gonna be all in at $130,000. That only gives you a margin of around $10,000 of what you're gonna make profit. In reality, you're gonna have to pay closing costs, you're gonna have to pay realty commissions. In the end, you're probably gonna only make $1,000, if that. In reality, you would have to purchase this property at around $30,000 to $40,000 to really make a good profit. Your all-in price on this would be about $90,000. So clearly, this is not a deal. And those are important things that you have to understand about being a real estate investor. You really have to understand and identify which are deals and which are not deals. So how much money can a real estate investor make? Really, the opportunity is endless. You just have to find the right deal that can make you money, and you can make as much money as you want. You could end up making billions of dollars like, Grant Cardone or even Donald Trump. These guys have made millions and billions of dollars starting out just like this, just identifying what a good deal is. As long as you can identify what a good deal is, you're gonna make money. Whether it's a lot or it's a little, you're definitely gonna make money. So the last part of this is gonna be, how much money do you need to be a real estate investor? That question is complicated, but it's easily answered. You can start with as little as $500. With those $500, you can begin to look for distressed properties like this one, and you can even, maybe joint venture with another investor. Networking with different investors can definitely open the door and open the opportunities for you as far as investing goes. Especially if, maybe you link up with an investor who might have the money or the capital to start investing, but maybe he doesn't have the knowledge to start investing. You can make money with other people's money. You don't have to make money with your own money. I myself, as an investor, I make money with other people's money on a daily basis. They pay me money in order to identify deals for them. I'm compensated for those deals and I make a good living out of it. Now I can use that money to propel myself forward and do deals of my own, maybe even renovate properties like this one. It is limitless to how many different types of deals you can do being a real estate investor. And you don't need a lot of capital. I started myself with as little as $100 and worked my way up. And now we're a 6-figure business and possibly even 7-figure next year. So it doesn't take a lot of money. It doesn't take a lot of skill. You just got to do some research on how to identify what deals are and what deals aren't. So I hope you found this informative, guys. I hope that this helped you out in some type of way identify that you don't need a lot of money to invest in real estate. And also, I hope it gave you some type of value to where you might want to share this video with somebody else, as well as subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and shoot me a like if you're watching this on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good one. Check out all my other videos on real estate investing, especially wholesaling. It's one of my favorite preferred methods of investing. You can learn a lot from some of my videos. If you have any questions or comments, shoot them down below.